Do you know many people are having trouble with using soap in their pressure washers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare solution. Prepare your cleaning solution using a pressure washer-safe detergent. Step 2. Connect tube. Connect the soap siphon tube securely to the washer and soap tank. Step 3. Attach nozzle. Attach the soap nozzle to the spray wand for effective soap application. Step 4. Apply soap. Apply the soap from the bottom to the top in a smooth motion. Step 5. Rinse clean. Rinse the area thoroughly with a high-pressure nozzle to remove soap. Now you should be able to confidently use soap with your pressure washer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Craftsman users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.